friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking seasoned corn ribs from a frozen package from Trader Joe's in air fryer. So here's a package of seasoned corn ribs, and you can use any other brands. It doesn't have to be Trader Joe's. They all cook the same way. No need to defrost. Air fryer cooks it straight from frozen. So now let's take out the air fryer basket, and I will open the package of frozen seasoned corn ribs. And let's put the corn ribs in the air fryer and put them in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at these seasoned corn ribs. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. So easy to make in the air fryer. They look so good. Let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look how good they look. I'm so excited about trying them. I love corn ribs. Let's try it. Perfect. So good. You will love them. It's so easy to make them in the air fryer. No need to defrost. Just throw them in, and the air fryer does all the work. And they really taste so good. They have such a deep grilled flavor that air fryer gives them. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!